Hi guys, Bob Reyes here from bobreyes.com, and today I have with me the AWS DeepComposer Keyboard. This thing here. Thank you to my friend Rafi Kasumbing for lending me this device. So what is the AWS DeepComposer Keyboard? So it's a 32 key 2 octave keyboard. It's basically a MIDI USB controller. And it has several built-in features. It has an arpeggiator, ARP, so it's somewhere here. Okay, so it has also auto chord. Okay, it has modulation, octave adjust, so you can change the octave up and down, those keys there. Okay, it has pitch bender, it has playback, here, play, stop and record buttons. At the back, it even has a sustain switch interface, so you can, if you have a sustain pedal, you can use it with this device. And it comes with a USB cable that is similar with what we use with our printers, USB cable. Okay, and also it has volume and several knobs here. Okay, so you can get this from Amazon, something like around $99. But the last time I checked, it is currently out of stock. So I'm going to show you, do a demo of how it's being used. So the AWS DeepComposer service is actually part of the Amazon Web Services family that gives developers the ability to create music, some sort of, okay, using generative AI, okay, through machine learning. Okay, so what is how cool that would be. Okay, so let's have a demo. For my demo, I'll be using Microsoft Edge. For some reason, the page, the website, the service that you need to use to for AWS DeepComposer is not working on Firefox, so I will have to use my alternative browser on a Mac, not Safari. It's Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this is how it is, and then from there, so let's click on Get Started. Okay, so if you are new, you can get through this different, learn the basics of generative AI and GANs. It's something like 15-minute tutorial, but I'll head straight to the Music Studio. So this is the Music Studio. I have a couple of recordings already just to try it out. So I'm going to start the new one. Okay, and when you hit the keys, okay, so very cool. Okay, so from there we can record an 8-track an 8 measure recording, and we can generate AI thing with it. So let's try. I'm going to use Twinkle Twinkle. Basically, that's it. So let's play it. So there. So that is the 8 measure track that we just recorded. And then from there, we can continue. Click on continue. So we can check and use say ARCNN. Okay, so that notes are automatically added or removed from the input track based on some parameters. What are those parameters? So we can set the maximum input notes to be removed. So let's say 50. Okay, maximum notes to be added, let's leave it at as is at 100. Sampling iterations will be 100, and creative risk should be somewhere between 0.5 to 6. Let's give 3. Okay, and from there, let's continue. So this is what will happen. Okay, so using ARCNN parameters. Okay, auto regressive CNN batch ba. Okay, sorry, auto regressive CNN ba. So it will generate something like this based on our recording. Let's hear it out. Notice some resemblance with how Johann Sebastian Bach plays music. Okay, so let's try to enhance it using a 100, 100, 101 input. So this would be our enhance composition. Let's hear it out. It is as if Johann Sebastian Bach will be playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, so let's continue on. So let's try, okay, confetti using the GAN technique. Okay, so we have to generate accompaniment tracks, okay, using GAN or genre-based accompaniment. So let's have rock, okay, as our model for this generating. So this would be the different instruments generated to us by AWS DeepComposer. Let's hear it out. Okay, not that finished yet, but we're getting there. Okay, so as you can see, uh, we just had an input for the melody of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and the rest of the sample, guitar, bass, synth pad, are automatically generated to us by AWS DeepComposer. Okay, so that's basically how you use the AWS DeepComposer service and the AWS DeepComposer keyboard. On my next video, I will be making a demo of using this particular keyboard, okay, together with Apple GarageBand. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a USB MIDI controller. It's a MIDI device, musical instrumentation digital interface. So you can technically use it with any software. But if you want to generate cool music, you can make use of AWS DeepComposer service from AWS. But of course, you need to be signed into your account. You need to have an AWS account, Amazon Web Services account to use it. Okay, so this has been Bob Reyes of bobreyes.com. Thank you and mabuhay.